How to upload YouTube videos from mobile. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open YouTube. Click on the plus sign at the bottom and you'll see the option of create a short, upload a video, go live, or create a post. Click on upload a video to upload a video to YouTube. Make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to upload a video to. Once you click on upload a video, you'll see all the videos pop up. Go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. So you can drag to adjust the time, or you can crop it. Once you made the adjustment, click on next. You can add sound, text, voiceover, timeline, or filters. Once you made the changes, click on next at the top right corner. Go ahead and add a caption to your short. You can change your visibility. You can add a location. You can select audience. Once you're ready to upload, click on upload at the bottom. So this is how to upload YouTube videos from mobile. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.